Hello there, this video is about the Vimtag camera setup. As you can see, I have the Mini G3 cam. It's an indoor and outdoor camera, and I have my cell phone, and here I have the camera already unboxed. So let me just move this box from here, and I'm gonna use my cell phone to set up the camera. The first thing that you have to do is to install the Vimtag app. You just go to Google app or to the Android store app, right? And you download the Vimtag app and install it here and create your account. So basically here I have the app already working and I have an account. As you can see here, my account is already logged in. And then here on the main screen, you can add the new camera. So here I have the camera, it's already connected to power. And then the first thing that I have to do is to make sure the camera is on. When you connect it to power, you can feel the camera clicking, right? Because there is no indication here with the lights that the camera is on, but you need to make sure the camera is on. You just hear clicks when you're powering the camera, or you can check if the LED here is on. There's an infrared LED here. At first you cannot see it. One way to see it is just put your fingers here so you can block the lights, and you hear a click and you see that the infrared is on right now. It's hard to see. Let me just show you here. Here we go. It stays on for a while. Now it's gone because I just moved my fingers from the camera, right? But it's on. Now I'm sure it's on. Then I need to come here and reset the camera. Just press a button here. Here we go. This is the reset button. Let me just get some focus here and show you, all right? You just press and hold for a while. It takes a while. You just need to press and hold until you hear a message. So here we go. Pressing the button right now and just waiting to hear the message.
Restored factory settings successfully. Camera is rebooting.
Okay.
Wait for a moment.
So I hear the message and I'm waiting for the camera to reboot. So let's just wait because this usually takes 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, so the camera is back and now it's time to add the camera here to the app. So basically here I just click on this plus signal, select the camera, outdoor mini. Here I click that's powered on, click next. And now it's time to scan the QR code that I have here. So here we go. Okay, so the QR code is scanned now. And then I have two options here, by sound or by QR code, which is recommended. Let me just do it by QR code here. And now I have the information from my network. Here is my Wi-Fi signal. It's important here to use 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Don't use 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. The camera works only with 2.4. And here I have my password. If that screen doesn't show to you, you're gonna see a new screen asking you to allow the camera to see the phone location. That's good. You just allow that, or you go to the iPhone settings and you do that to allow the app to see the phone location. Okay. So here I have it. I just click next. And now I click here. I already heard the voice message. Click next. And now it's time for the camera to read the QR code. Just point the camera here to read the QR code.
Connecting to the router. Please wait for a moment. Connecting to the server. Please wait for a moment.
Okay, so it's connecting.
Config successfully.
Okay, I got the information. The configuration was successfully done. Click here next. And here select a name. Let's say just balcony, any name here that you want. And click finish. Now you have your camera working. Just click here and you can also go to the settings. But for that you need to insert a password. So I'll create a password here. So here we go. I inserted the password twice. Click here on next. Just wait for it to load. Click here, talk later. I don't want to cloud right now, and click here, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so it's done. So that's the way you can have your Vimtag camera setup. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.